9 hikers cut their way out of their tent and ran into a blizzard, barefoot. No one knows why. It was February 1959, deep in Russia's Ural Mountains. Something happened during the night that made the group abandon their shelter and flee into the freezing darkness without their boots or winter coats. Weeks later, rescuers found their bodies scattered across the snow. Some had frozen to death, others had suffered devastating internal injuries. One woman was found missing her tongue. There were no signs of a struggle, no footprints from strangers, no clear explanation. More than 65 years later, the Dyatlov Pass Incident remains one of the world's most chilling, unsolved mysteries. What frightened 9 experienced hikers enough to run into a deadly blizzard?